to celebrate the holidays the only way that we know how. By shit up. Are you ready to celebrate the holidays?
Yeah!
Are you ready for Christmas?
Oh, no! And it tasted like a damn hot dog. A hot dog? Ooh, there's Santa! Whoa! I got my Christmas spanking. Good God!
Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal. Tonight's Haunted Attraction Adventures brings us to the Haunted Hotel down here in Louisville, Kentucky. They are opened up here in December for their Christmas event. We are excited to see what changes they've made since haunt season. And yeah, if you like us coming out here in 35 degrees to give you Christmas haunt videos, smash that subscribe button. Get down there.
I'm dead. He said, you look very sharp.
Has it been here? Good. What is she? Oh. It's a pickle! The pickle! Oh.
Come on now, right this way. Hurry up, let's go. Backs against the goddamn wall, shoulder to shoulder.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Oh, you all know how this game works.
Yes.
Welcome to the Haunted Hotel. My name is Lucky, I'm sure you remember. And it is your lucky night that you managed to stumble through the old hotel doors once again.
Yeah.
You ask yourselves why?
Oh, because we're stupid.
No, you ask yourselves why?
Why?
Well, look around.
It's Christmas.
It is Christmas, you're exactly right. It's the holidays.
Yeah.
And we're here to celebrate the holidays the only way that we know how. By fucking shit up. And with that being said, I'm sure that you're here for the Christmas party, yes?
Yeah.
You are. Well, where's the invitations now? Come on. Where are the invitations?
She took them at the door.
They
Took the invitations at the door. Well, either way, we knew that you were coming, of course. Now we can let Santa, Krampus, all the little elves, we can let them know that you're here. And that means we can start the festivities. Are you ready to celebrate the holidays?
Yeah!
Are you ready for Christmas? That's real good. Right this way.
Okay. Oh, thank you,
Now,
Lucky.
Let's go.
What is in
Come
here
on,
with
hurry up.
us?
Santa's a-coming. The milk and
What is in
cookies are
here
gonna
with
go
us?
bad.
Oh, we don't want them to go bad.
Come on now. Now, let's not keep Krampus waiting any longer. Take these sad souls down.
Oh, what's going on? Oh, shit! Oh, God! Oh. Oh! Yay! Whoop!
Oh God.
Where'd it go? Uh-oh. That elevator ain't working right.
Uh-oh.
Shit.
Uh-oh.
I hear something.
Whispering.
Oh, shit. I see lights every now and then. Whoa! That was a hell of a ride. Woo, yeah! Oh, there's a gingerbread man. And another gingerbread man. Oh, and a giant bug thing. Oh, shit. No. It can come down the hallway.
We've got a question for you!
What?
Have you been good or bad?
Bad.
No, wait! You have to prove it first!
Have to prove it?
Yes.
I peed in the eggnog.
What?
Yeah.
You're lying!
No, I'm not lying. I did.
No! This is proof that you can go now!
Oh,
What
shit.
about you? No! You can't go!
I peed in the eggnog too.
No, you didn't! That's a sentence you have to tell me I'm really scared!
I'm
I
out here by
gave the
myself.
bug my friend.
The bug's dead!
Because he ate my friend.
No! You stay right there!
I stay right here? Oh. Oh God.
What about you?
Oh, see, you got to pass.
No!
Bring all Santa's mail.
No. Give me a real reason.
I'll bring all Santa's mail.
Oh my God! Go! You can go too.
I can go too. Okay.
Oh my. Hi. Oh, it's so pretty. Whoop. There is a snowman in there.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. That one does not look nice.
Oh God.
I do want that one. Oh.
See what I did to the kid?
Oh, yeah.
Freaking killed her.
She didn't make it very far, did she?
No, she did not. And you wanna know something funny?
What?
I ate her eyeball.
Oh, you did?
And it tasted like a damn hot dog.
A hot dog?
A hot dog.
Let's go.
Oh, eyeballs taste like hot dogs. Oh. Caution! Oh! Lunar Santa! Oh, shit. Don't trust him. I am on the bad list. Oh, what was that? There's a head moving. Scared the piss out of me. Nipple.
She looks cold.
Oh. This must be the party in the laundry room. Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah. Oh, we're drinking some bleach. Oh, shit.
Oh.
I was like, which way? Oh my.
Go under the damn bridge. Come on.
Under the damn bridge.
Under the
Okay.
bridge.
I really don't have to bend over. I'm so short.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Got a question.
Yeah.
What do you call a group of ho-ho-hos?
I don't know.
What's your name?
Nora.
Nora!
That's pretty good.
Christmas, Nora!
That's pretty good.
Ho!
Ho ho ho!
Christmas, ho-ho-ho!
Ew, spider. Yuck. Yuck. There's a spider.
Merry Christmas, Nora!
Merry Christmas!
What's going on down there?
Hi. How are you? I'm good so far.
Good. Welcome home.
Did you know I was a ho ho ho?
Ho, ho, ho.
Yes.
That's so good.
Big rat. Oh yeah. They gotta give him some of Santa's cookies so he'll chill the F out. Oh. Yeah, you dancing? So pretty. Oh. Oh, what's behind me? Uh-oh, fuck.
Oh God.
Oh no, he don't hawk. It's moving.
Oh, the car's moving.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. This is Nora. What? What's happening right now? What is this thing? Yeah. Oh jeez, you got big teeth. Okay. Yeah. I don't like that metal plate. Oh. Oh, you know what you want for Christmas?
Tell me,
Oh,
what do you
okay.
want for Christmas? What do you want?
You to kill Santa.
I can do that best.
Okay.
Come in. You have a seat. Come on, have a seat. Tell me what you want.
She stole one of the presents out from under that tree. I saw her do it. She stole the present.
She stole the presents.
The music is ramping up. Ah! He's gonna kill Santa for us. Oh. Ooh, Merry Christmas.
You've been naughty.
Oh, yeah. That is right. I have. I got my Christmas spanking.
Yeah.
Well, hello there. Into your closet? Yeah? Okay. Oh, that doll is creepy. What does that say?
Woo.
Hell, I didn't even see her. Oh, the doll room is creepy. I don't think I like it. This is creepy. It's creepy. It's so creepy.
Easy.
Good God! You're gonna kill somebody with that thing. Oh, it's you guys are really mean to kids. Watch out, you'll get one in your stocking. Ooh, it's cold in here. Is he like, maybe he's...
You're gonna fucking die!
Uh-oh. Step.
That doesn't sound good at all.
No, it doesn't. What's going on in here? Hi! Oh, shit.
Going to the damn bridge again!
I didn't even see the bridge. Oh, what's you doing down there?
Oh, let me get me toy.
Oh, does it stink? It looks like it stinks.
Do you want to be my new toy?
No.
My toy?
No.
No.
No, you stay there.
I think they got you chained up for a
Mommy's
reason.
got all kinds of toys for you back there. Uh-oh. I don't like that freaking music in a haunted house. It creeps me out. I don't think I want Santa Claus to come tonight. Oh, yes.
Uh-oh.
He gets me every time. He's just...
Oh,
he's
jingle,
got
jingle.
a jingle, jingle, jingle. Jingle, jingle, Krista Crinkle. Uh-oh, there's lights in there. Where'd you go, sneaky? Uh-oh. Oh, yes.
I don't know what's happening.
I'm gonna walk faster. Oh, what the hell is that? Don't mess with that one. That one looks like it could eat us. That's a creepy room. Oh, there's lights and something coming up the stairs very fast. Hi-ya. Hi there. La 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 la. Oh, there's bones. Oh man, not the chainsaw in that room. With the bells of holly. I swear it's coming after us. What's out here? I can't hear. I don't like it.
It was rather loud.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big tunnel. And a penguin.
Whoa.
And a goblin thing. Oh. Uh-oh.
Christmas goblins.
There's more of them.
Hi.
Hi.
How y'all doing?
Well, we're okay. We're trying to keep Krampus
Have
from
fun?
eating us.
Are
We're
we
gonna
having
try.
fun?
Yes.
So far.
Good.
Just trying not to die.
Well,
Yeah.
no more
bag.
In the bag.
In the bag!
Not getting
No.
in the bag.
No. You can't deliver us as presents. Hell no. Ooh, they're way up there. Oh my. Oh. Oh! Whoa! What is coming out of your face? Kinda. It's a little dark in here though.
It's so dark.
You better not pout. I'm telling you why.
Santa Claus is coming tonight!
Woo! Yeah! Encore! Uh-oh. Don't trust these freaking doors. Don't. Ah!
God.
See, I told you!
Oh God.
I told you not to trust the
Yeah.
doors. I hear it. Do you hear it? Uh-oh.
Oh God.
That's never good. I'm going to lose my legs one of these days at the haunted hotel. And the damn sparks. Oh, I hate sparks. Just don't tell them that. Don't tell them I hate the sparks. They can't hear.
He seems agitated.
I think they killed real deer and then put the... Yeah. I don't know.
I'm Jingles. This is Rudy.
Okay, Jingles and
Jingles
Rudy.
and Rudy.
Yeah, did somebody
see.
feed you? Please tell me they did, because we're not here to feed you.
They look hungry.
Oh shit. That is the end of Nora. She's gone. Bye. You can find me hanging up here at the haunted hotel.
Bye, Nora.
That's right.
Hanging with all your friends.
Yeah.
We love you.
Yeah, we love you too, but I don't know if I want to hang in there.
Of course you do.
I don't know. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
All right, so that was the haunted hotel down here in Louisville, Kentucky. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. If this is your first time watching, we are the Scare Factor. We are haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunted attraction enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. See you in the next video.